Hey guys, did you ever pick up a book and just want to start posting things on Facebook, like quotes from the book and stuff like that? Yeah, if you notice, that's kind of what I did on Sunday. Let's talk about it. So I know some of you noticed I started reading a book on our way to the beach on Sunday, and it's from a book called Customer Experience That Sings. Now, this book is specifically about creating your customer experience journey map, but it creates a lot of good points about the customer experience journey overall, as well as covering it for people who are not familiar with the phenomenon of customer experience. So there's one particular conversation that I wanted to pull out and make for today's 2-Minute Tuesday. I actually already had a video recorded but not edited yet for today. And I thought this one was more important because we had just had the conversation. So what is that conversation? Well, let's put 2 minutes on the clock and you'll find out. All right, so I would be remiss if I didn't say, if you like these types of videos, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I post new videos. So if you haven't heard about customer experience, it's really about creating a great experience for your customer over the lifetime of their journey with you. And that's really what it's about. It's about, do you make it easy for them to find you? Is there only a little bit of friction if they want to find out more about you? It's about taking them from that discovery phase into a prospecting phase, a purchasing phase, hopefully, and then their entire journey as a customer, because especially in a subscription type business, as managed services is, you want to make sure they're a subscriber or a customer for as long as possible. Now, the point that a lot of you brought up was about making a happy customer. And making a happy customer is not about agreeing that the customer is always right, or letting the customer use password for their password. That would be a bad idea. Because in the long run, password is a really bad idea. They're going to have problems like breaches or people taking over their email accounts because they're using password for their password. We should probably count how many times I say password in this video. Anyway, you're creating a good experience for the customer, not doing what they want. They hired you to be the expert. You need to make sure that you're creating the best experience possible for them in this situation. I think Henry Ford said it best when he said, if I gave the customers what they wanted, I would have given them a faster horse. And that applies exactly today to this model. Customers do not understand what they want or what they need when it comes to their IT services. They don't know what's available. They don't know the security implications and the risk involved in what they may ask for. So making them happy is not always about giving them what they ask for. It's giving them what they need to solve their problem. The next time a customer asks for something, make sure that the solution actually solves their problem without creating excess risk for them. What you want to do is make sure that you're creating a great experience for them so that they'll stay with you long term. So if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to make sure you're notified when I post new videos. Customer experience is a great topic for us to explore, so please go ahead and put your questions in the comments. Let me know what you think about customer experience for the IT services world, and I will see you on the next one.